Welcome to IRP Engineering Plastics, leaders in locally manufactured conveyor component solutions since 1987. By constantly investing in the latest CNC and CAD technology and coupled with over 60 dedicated and highly trained employees, IRP has built a strong reputation of delivering quality and affordable locally manufactured engineering parts. IRP's state-of-the-art CNC machining facility features large vacuum bed routers, CNC lathes and fourth-axis milling machines, making IRP market leaders in engineering plastics and CNC machining. IRP's injection molding division, with over 200 injection molding tools and 12 injection molding machines ranging from 50-ton to 350-ton capacity, gives IRP the unique ability to locally injection mold and manufacture a wide range of modular belting, slat chains, sprockets and conveyor components for the food processing, beverage filling and packaging industries. With a dedicated in-house assembly division and a large stock holding, this gives IRP the competitive advantage to locally manufacture and assemble a wide range of modular belting, slat chains, sprockets, and a multitude of conveyor components at a fraction of the cost, and with very quick turnaround delivery in comparison to their competitors. IRP Engineering Plastics, powered by System Flex, locally manufactured, globally accepted.